What happens if you sneeze with your eyes open? Do they actually pop out? Let's find out. First off, sneezing is like a mini explosion inside your face. Your body launches air at nearly 160 kilometers per hour. Your eyes don't want to stay open because your brain forces them shut. It's like a built-in safety feature. But let's say you somehow keep them open. Will your eyeballs actually pop out? Nope. Your eye muscles and nerves are way too strong. They're not just going to fly out like ping pong balls. But sneezing with open eyes can make tiny blood vessels burst. So enjoy those red eyes. So yeah, your eyeballs are safe, but maybe don't try sneezing in a staring contest.